Number 1. Greece. Greece is one of the most beautiful countries in Europe. It also offers one of the best climates to enjoy the sun all year round. The country ranks number 1 most searched countries in 2023. The beauties and riches of Greece are numerous. The country offers activities for all, from the traditional but not to miss Acropolis tour to romantic sailing cruises along the coast of Santorini, or an afternoon scuba diving to Mykonos. Make your choice among the best things to do in Greece. Number 2. Portugal is on the podium of the most searched countries in recent months on Earth. Portugal is recognized for the beauty of its landscapes, its gastronomy, its rich history, and its magnificent beaches. Porto Santo, Madeira Islands, and Faial Azores were voted among the 20 best destinations to visit in 2023 and will be must-see places during your visits to Portugal. Good famous sports wine, Porto is an ideal destination for a city break of a few days. You can stay at Porto Moments Apartments, which offers a magnificent view of the UNESCO-listed historical area. The beaches of Cascais and the Algarve region are perfect for recharging your batteries in the sun. The Villa Alba Eco Resort Hotel is located near some of the best beaches in. If you are nature lovers, be sure to visit the archipelagos of Madeira and the Azores. If you are a history buff, do not miss to visit the amazing city of Braga. Number 3. Italy. Italy is unique in the world. Rome, the capital, was considered the capital of the world of many centuries. This country has had a profound impact on Europe and continues to fascinate travelers from all over the world. There is not one place in Italy that is not incredibly interesting and beautiful. You can ski in best ski resorts of Italy. You can see masterpieces in the best destinations of Italy, such as Rome, Milan, Florence. You can go off the beaten track and explore the most beautiful castles in Italy, or the best hidden gems, such as Rovelio or Sarmione. Do you want to relax? Discover the ranking of the most beautiful beaches in Italy, from Cinque Terre to Trapani via Pisa, Venice, Bologna, Monte Isola, or Palermo. Discover the most beautiful places in Italy. Number 4. Spain. The assets and beauties of Spain are numerous. The beaches of Tenerife in Formentera, the Sagrada Familia in Barcelona, the Guggenheim in Bilbao, the Camino del Rey in Malacca, the most beautiful villages in Spain, such as Ronda, Guadalquivir, Cordillera. This country is certainly one of the most beautiful countries in Europe, with the most beautiful cities, beaches, castles, and the best things to do in Spain on top of your travel bucket list, and find inspiration for your next trip. Travel more and spend less by booking your flights, accommodations, and best tours in Spain. Number 5. France. France is the most visited country in Europe, ahead of Spain and Italy. Perhaps it is because Paris is the capital of love, or because its wines, especially those of Bordeaux, are among the finest and most famous in the world. It may be that travelers prefer the beautiful landscapes of La France, or perhaps are drawn to its incredible cultural heritage and historical monuments, such as the illustrious Chateau of the Loire Valley. Number 6. Turkey. Immerse yourself in millennia of history. Take a dip in the turquoise blue waters of Marmaris and Olodanis. Immerse yourself in the sense of the spices of Istanbul's Grand Bazaar. Relax in the thermal waters of Pamukkale. Turkey is unique in the world, incomparable. Take time to discover it and be surprised by the beauty and the richness of this country. From the Topkapi Palace, you can see the Blue Mosque, the Maiden's Tower, as well as the blue waters of the Bosphorus that surround the Princess Islands. Your journey will take you to Ankara, Bodrum, Marmaris and Olodanis. You will fly over Cappadocia in a hot air balloon, snuggle up in a cave hotel, see the giant statues of Namrud Taki, and marvel at the amazing whirling dervishes. Number 7. Croatia. Croatia is a wealthy country that offers travelers the guarantee of an exceptional holiday. You will probably find there the greatest diversity of landscapes in Europe, with forests, countryside, hills, beaches, islands, and mountains of rare beauty. You will fall in love with this country, its history, its beauty, its charm. You will dive into the pure waters of Croatia and discover its 1,000 islands. You can also venture into the hinterland and discover exceptional hills, mountains, and forests. Croatia is a breathtaking destination. Do a city trip to Zagreb, relax or play sports on its coasts and its islands. Croatia is also ideal for green holidays. Have nice walks in its beautiful parks. Enjoy its gastronomy. Number 8. Germany. Germany is one of the most visited countries in Europe, along with France, the UK, and Italy. This is probably because Germany offers such a diverse and authentic variety of landscapes and destinations. Germany is the perfect destination for unique experiences in Europe, with its magnificent castles, beautiful wild beaches, and incredible hidden gems. Germany is a perfect destination not only for history and nature lovers, but also foodies. Do you expect to drink beer and eat soy? Forget the cliffs. Germany is the second European country with the most starred restaurants, just after France. Number 9. Austria. Your discovery of Austria will likely start with a stay in Vienna. But where will you go next? Are you going to limit yourself to discovering the beauties and riches of the Austrian capital, or would you like to discover the most beautiful destinations in Austria? Its sumptuous lakes, its incredible castles, the must-see destinations, as well as the best hidden gems and nature wonders of Austria. Discover must-see places as well as off-the-beaten-path destinations and create your trip a la carte by finding inspiration among the best places to visit in Austria. Number 10. Ireland. You already know a lot about Ireland. You already had a Guinness and Irish whiskey. You may have even stayed in Dublin or Belfast before. How about going off the beaten track this time? Are you ready to discover breathtaking landscapes? Do you fancy getting your fill of lions walking along the cliffs of Moher, or horseback riding on one of Ireland's best beaches? Exceptional sights like the Giant Causeway, Dark Edges, Claymore Abbey, Skellig Michael, Port Bredan, ranked among the best hidden gems in Ireland, awaits you, as well as the best places to visit Ireland as Kinsale, Belfast, Galway, or Cork. This is all for today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated. Thank you very much for watching, guys. See you on our next videos. Bye bye.